Enjoy learning and developing your knowledge of witchcraft, magic, and all things Wiccan in this exciting course from Gateway Workshops. This is a practical and intuitive professional online training course which provides you with the skills and knowledge to begin your path into Wicca. The course looks at a range of subjects, from the history of Wiccan teachings to practical techniques to develop your abilities. Topics include the Wiccan Reed, the Threefold Law and the Witch's Pyramid, Wiccan tools, sacred spaces and rituals, herb lore and crystals, spellcraft, magic and much more. This course is open to complete beginners, and you can use the knowledge you gain in this course professionally with clients. It's insurable, enabling you to be able to charge for your services. You'll receive access to all the course online learning modules, plus 21 high-quality videos to help you learn at your own speed in the comfort of your own home. You'll have an expert tutor on hand to give you all the guidance you need to help you complete your course, and on successful completion, you'll receive a diploma certificate that's accredited and professionally recognised. Join the thousands of students who choose to train with an award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. Gain the skills, knowledge, and confidence you need to get started with studying Wicca with Gateway Workshops. Sign up today. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.